Alright, hey YouTube, this is the Presidential Tourist back with another unboxing video. I'm embarrassed to say I've actually had this for 3 or 4 months. I've been meaning to get into it, but I got this for myself for Christmas. This is one of those things they put together for you to buy for gifts during Christmas time. This is a Jacqueline Sasquatch crate. Here's what it has: a glass stein, a Sasquatch bottle opener, original beef jerky, 0.625 ounce teriyaki beef jerky, 0.625 ounce cracked black pepper, and sea salt popcorn. I think this was about 20, maybe just slightly under. I'm a huge beef jerky person, so I just like beef jerky, so I got this. And it's a nice wooden crate. Okay. I'll show you more of the label in a minute, but let's crack this bad boy open. Got this at Walmart. There it goes. And look how this opens. Oh, wait, let me show you a little bit of the label. I probably should have started with this. Probably should have started like that, but that's the front of the label. Definitely more nicer looking. Okay. Here's the popcorn. It can be tasty. A little bag of beef jerky, original flavor. Teriyaki. This is my favorite flavor of beef jerky. It's always been teriyaki. Some stuffing. Bottle opener. Look at that, there's his foot. And then here's the mug. Oh, yeah, look at that. Cool. This is definitely worth it. Neat stuff. That is it. And look, I really like the wooden box. Oh, I pretty sure the exact price. $19.98. But alright. Any comments, questions, let me know. But this is pretty darn cool. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.